Hello. July, and indeed a very special good afternoon. Naming Archman Amuzersenle, feeling Pokarele, then hobby listening to music, storybook searches, now dance something. Then negative point is an but the most of the Tanga Namite, then average students again, then schooling till 10th standard, Drupal 11th and 12th standard continue with the SP Smart Nature Namalle. The time limited to just I'll try to keep it short. I really would like to take this initiative to thank all the members and president of the student association for taking this initiative and organizing such programs in which freshers like us can show our talent. Punching thoughts we are really nervous. So much nervous. Those initiatives and we all get encouraged, and I really would like to thank all of them. Thank you so much. Talent, to be very true, talent, but still, as it is compulsory, I think I will dance. So, can I have the music, please? Yeah. Yang just missing bo samala juli. Ini ni exam jadi ni ale. Ini nga scale tulan ni. Tenenga 10 sampai nga mau de choose ni ale. Then plus 2 ni Mysore de choose ni Karnataka ni. Ini daksa MM college la first year choice ki le jalo. Ini senior ki le. Ini daksa ni ये नालू तंजन नम्मा दोपा रखा ले समय ना दोपा यहाँ का नालू तंजन ना दोपा रखा ले इन्हें ग्रींगे निजात समुद्रला संतुष्ट चैनल है निजात समय सेम ये का चर्चे से हलो लू तंगन जी लू तंगन तंग यंकन ने सेम मागाना इजुक शिकामन वाला है तो इन्हें ये इका मेरे मन ये वो तो ये लद्दाख से ना ले लिरिक्स को ये लद्दाख ना ट्राई चैनल Ngai sim sing mole, sangai ning stang yona, ngai rang yang sante, ngai tani ni bang suske, ane chichumur, ane gamchumur, ngai sim sing mole, ni mole. Just my I simple just kiss me. Nala nirang samste, I tame it, my young Tanya, I simple just ngari sensi mo yona ngalanyera yang tante mujhe sange ni pansuske
Ladies first long yera le chinba chimet amore chimet ammo Teni yera no mubarak teni yera second round में select judges for teni bagi best of the इस बेरा से रजेत सोंदोक देने आजे इना टास्क तांजु टास्क के नाम देने ची योग नाम देने मेरा सोदे रिमोट नौजु देने तेवे देने आजे इका परफॉर्म जो दे तान को नौजु टास्क को यस
Okay, once again, a very good afternoon, everyone. So, I got a topic, which is very related. You can say that this is the problem, this is the reaction which most of us will give if this kind of situation happens with us. So, the topic says, how would you react when you lost your mobile phones? Nowadays, mobile phone is like the oxygen. Everybody is so much into mobile phone that, it is a real fact, isn't it? So, I'll try to do it. I'll try to do with the mic. Okay, let's imagine that I'm back home and I went somewhere and I'm just taking off my bags. अच्छे ये मोबाइल अच्छा रहेगा बैग ना चेक चुसा मेरा चीज यादा चिंगे दाले कास्ते अच्छे ना मेरा तो सांचे तो उसका पर्सन चेक चुसा पर्सन ना नक्शा ये ना मेरा शिंगे शिंगे बैग चेक चुनी हाँ राशि अच्छी है ये ना मेरा खान नहीं चुचो दारे ना ते मोमो हाड़ा ते कट्टे पर काचा Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.
Samala Juliet, Nande Samala, and Sundu Samala Juliet. Ringe Joji Chiru Zenala, Nata Sama, Nati Abile Memele, Amalia Vale Samatam, Langula, Borte, Natani, Jumbo Matanga, Yontan Skill and Halali, Natapa, Mamani, Rampu Vincent Sekala and Halali. Tamani Joji Chiru Zenama, Nati Abile Memele Senati, Koi Lotupo, Tubo, Damtupo, Jamo Silla Chajitanga, Abile. Cheese do auto exuchos do ala tengi sondruchen ala bacha abeche abalika satakninga abana produce no meme nga ika produce ni hama diske ni sondruchen chapter chujise bacha ram meme chu sik pushar chuste tene sondruchen maji bulu Sim, kalau selama bulan zoom sekali bicara itu, saya bisa just sini. Bisa kita sampai kita bicara, bisa just sini aja. Mingan pemadan, tinggal. Mingan pemadan, cenderung macam, yentar macam, tinggal. Bisa cirka macam bicara langsung. Yentar just ada orang bicara, lokal langu lemi moyar kasih. Yang family moyar kasih.
Round third in आई कितने का लाजर का नाम लेने का extemporary session वाले यहाँ तो ना time limit चेक किया है 3 minutes sama position वाले time limit 3 minutes देने को वहाँ contestant को कितना चिमेदांगो चमड़ा साला जाते ले
once again, a very good afternoon, everybody. Okay, so I got a topic, impact of tourism in Ladakh. So it is a very crucial topic, isn't it? Like it is, like you can say that nowadays Ladakh is changing, and the main reason for this change is tourism, isn't it? Okay, so like I say that when in olden times Ladakh used to be one such place which was not known to all the world. You know, like it was far away in a corner, and it was really safe. The environment was really good. The air, everything was very good. But as time passes, everything changed, and the tourist foreigners started to come in Ladakh, and eventually, slowly, it is our fault. I'll say it is our fault because like they came to Ladakh to just see, to just observe the beauty of Ladakh. But like they learned from us the good things, the like we can say moral values and everything good from us. They took all the good away from us, but what was our responsibility is that we were not supposed to give the good things to them. We were supposed to share it with them. What we did is we gave it to them, and what we took from them is the modernization, isn't it? Like Nadan ke dena halale, koi gane modernization, koi physical outer look koi gane nenzale. Matlab how they talk, how they wear. Like right now I'm speaking English, but it isn't necessary right now. Like the world has become like this ki necessary she gift dwale. Takung kafsi gondu, kong chizar, chichoru. How is their behavior? Like in the foreign countries, what the parents do is that, like even if they want to talk to their child, like they knock the door. Like, beta, can I speak to you? Like, what kind of world is this? Like such world in which parents have to like ask their own child to ask ki, kya main tumse baat kar sakta hu? Isn't it weird? Like it is very like a crucial topic. So now the world, like we can't do anything about it, isn't it? Like we can't even like it is a solution. But now like the situation is out of our hand. Like now it is the responsibility of the youngsters sitting out here, up there. Like samshik now, yes, modernization is important, and along with it, taking Ladakh moral values, traditional dresses, cultures, everything we should take it along with us with modernization. Then this kind of development is called the real development. Do you agree with it? Yes, that's the point. That's all from my side. Thank you.
yang ciklang jas la jule ini ni ka joju ji tu tena la article 379 article 35 tenjes be yang kya chi le ban yang atam Ladakh Jammu na ne bo base de ala chi phantok yang ze kan bo tu ala le ini sangme sangal la ala na to ju ni na ki Ladakh ko kitna Jain State ने अलग से यूटी थोप से ngata chi phan thop jano to juni na halale mata Jain State ने अलग थोप से ngati yula yarges ngko yongchi de halale mata sama ken palo ngati yulbo Ladakh ko ketam yarges ngal yongchi de halale ngal ngata yarges ma shante yongchi de par yong ma tusia halale ye sama guzeno chi pe yong ma tusia ze kan ma guzeno but nge yang chi ze kan halale chi pe yong ma tusia ze na sta mi gun Ata Ladakh sebabnya, jadi mampeng mereka halale. Ladakh sebab mampeng majlis berjasti. Setelah minggu last jokan, Ladakh sebab majlis berjasti. Nanti Ladakh la dizam ji yargas matokan halale. Taksa nanti Ladakh sebab YouTube terus pasang. Nanti Ladakh ko yargas gaman senata gaman je majlis mereka halale. Cisa thong yargas gaman halale. Cisa thong yargas gaman job metkan job thobano matang sama job thobano halale. De thong ngata ma yargas job halale. Dene ngati zena halale dan dia ngata khatong ne stang ne ngata state government ne ngata fan thobano pale state ne na Jain State ne fan thobano but te kane fan mo ngata thoba me kya halale 50 ngata gosita kya state ka isu ngata isu capital ka Jain ke Jammu kora isu Srinagar ne kora Kashmir kora isu gosita kya halale beneu but ngata beneu kaza chik आज तक ने कोशिश तंगान मंगाता डंडा थवा में क्या खाला रे दखते डंडा मंगाता तोचे नवाला रे देना मन जुचेस मेरा मुझे छे
Mr. Fresher and Miss Fresher Pinga Yala Miguel Yala Miguel Gizamoni Ramram Suse Tala prediction Jitang Suda Metiko Mr. Fresher Sugura Kare Ya juga Jitiga Ya Zera Giraza Hale Shai Gizan Juga Chilole Jingmet Ramo Chimedang Mole 气改表气的，那真是啊，一样的。现在不是平啊，Miss 平嘞，好嘞，刚过年嘞，啊，个啥就 Miss Fresheri参过，시간에 start चालू थे। मेरा boss है, सेल देनेंगे judges चिकची आशु अपने जो संका आशु अपने जो संका आशु अपने जो देंगे जहाँ संका एक आशु ओब्याल नाम से देने कार्तिक से आशु दादा जो देने गेजांग संग ये देने छक जंपो ने देने कौन लास्ट सोल्डर्स गोस्ट से साचे नोजु देने जजे से चुला स्टॉक थाने देने बंदन देने आचोले नाम देने कौन राजा संका देने एक आशु अपने जो एक आशु जते कसाजु मिस फ्रेशरी Sango Sikane start चालू next को एक गाने start चालू जो जरा जो जरा जो forming product जो चुस्की अंडोल ले Asal jadi cime tangguh tata dan laju, cime tangguh ada bukan laju, gratis besar laju semua, laju saya suka tangguh ke laju. Cime tangguh, ini pun dalam diskon, ini cukup isi dengan diskon saya laju. Semua senang kona, ini congratulations, kembali. तुझे से नमोले इंगे छोसला मुबारक ये रहने कसर जो मिसिंग बोने दुख जो मिस्टर फ्रेशर जो या सूट हो मिस्टर फ्रेशर ले हाले डीसी ले फर्स्ट लेटर आरी का स्टार्ट चालू जो कसर जो रिक्जीन नामगल जो मिस्टर फ्रेशर रिक्जीन नामगल
See सकते